principal took out the iron jar that had been sealed for 50 years. The iron jar contained letters from the first class of students dreaming about the future. The old principal handed out the letter as a gift to the new students. The little boy took out the paper full of numbers and couldn't read it, so he gave it to his father. His father looked at the dense number, which immediately aroused his curiosity, and saw him write out a group of numbers at random, and then try to divide the numbers. He was surprised to find that it was the 9/11 disaster that had happened, and he was even more surprised that the second set of numbers was the number of deaths, which made him instantly interested. He wrote down all the above figures according to the law just now, and looked for verification on the computer. Did not expect these figures and the date of the disaster occurred in the past decades, as well as the number of deaths, but the remaining numbers behind each group of numbers. He was puzzled, and according to the prophecy inside, there will be a big disaster tomorrow. There will be 81 people killed, but by the next afternoon, there was still no disaster on the news. So he drove to school as usual to pick up his son. Because of the traffic jam, he inadvertently looked at the longitude and latitude numbers on the navigation. At this time he finally realized, so he quickly got off to ask the reason for the traffic jam, but the traffic police looked at him in horror.